Oh, well, let's start with the topic today. What is advertisement? Advertising. Advertising is a multi-dimensional. It is business of people, for the people, and by the people. It is form of mass communication, a powerful marketing tool, a component of the economic system, a means of financing the mass media, a social institution, an art form, an instrument of business management, a field of employment and profession. In India, the advertising business is growing at a rate of 30% to 35% annually. The total advertising expenditure in India is about $5 billion and 56 billion all over the world. It is 90% of India's GDP. Today we see that our senses bombarded with lots of advertisements, whether it is the newspapers, magazines, the televisions, or even so many hoardings which line up any street or highway. There are a lot of advertisements to be seen. In fact, the quantity and quality both are increasing day by day. It has become an important tool at the hands of marketers to sell their products. Some advertisements are criticized for being false, misleading, and deceptive, and for concealing information. Advertisements can also manipulate the consumer to go in for unnecessary miles and free. So it is important to understand what advertisement is all about. Advertising also cannot regenerate or restore the poor product. It only helps in the selling process through the means of communication. Advertising is any way of communication from an identified sponsor or source that draw attentions to ideas, to goods, services, or sponsor itself. Most advertising is directed towards group rather than individual, and advertising is usually delivered through media such as television, radio, newspapers, internet, etc. Ads are often measured in impression, the number of times a consumer is exposed to an advertisement. Matrimonial advertisements, recruitment advertisements, tenders, classified advertisements, notice, public announcements are examples of advertisements. Please see this ad.
अंधेरे में बैठे ये ज्ञान का विद्या की इसी रोशनी से न्यू नॉर्मल में क्लासेस और टीचर टैबलेट सब बदल पढ़ाई की भारी धूम। हर घर चमक उठा है दिवाली जो आई अब तो सब अच्छा ही है। हम सब ने वही आशा ख्वाबों के बीच को मेहनत से सींचा वो हौसला बुलंद चट्टाने मुझे जीती। मम्मा स्कूल चालू हो गया है क्या?
So this ad basically explain you about the online education. So this actually imprinted long time impact on the consumers. And advertisement is announcement to the public about the product, service, or idea through a medium to which the public has access. It can be printed media, it can be electronic, or it can be any other media. An advertisement is usually paid for by an advertisers at rate fixed or negotiated with the media. Advertising is derived from the original Latin word advertere, which means to turn the attention. Every piece of advertising turns the attention of readers or listeners or viewers so that they can purchase your product. Advertisement main purpose is to add some creativity to promote your product like that so that they can actually capture the attention of the consumers. As per by American Market Association, any paid form of non-personal presentations of idea, goods, and services by an unidentified sponsor is known as advertisement. As per by William J. Stanton, advertising consists of all the activities involved in presenting to an audience a non-personal, sponsor identified, paid for message about a product or company. Advertising is given public notice or to announce publicity as per by Webster. According to Gardner, advertising is means of mass selling that has grown up parallel with and has been made necessary to mass production. So, what is advertisement? It involved an unidentified sponsor who wants to present his idea about their goods and services to general public at large. Features of advertising: it involves communication, it involves information, it must be persuasive in nature, it has profit maximization, it is a non-personal presentation, it has identified sponsor, it entirely depends upon consumer choice, and it involves art, science, and profession. History of advertising. If we talk about the main steps have been adopted, like there are early advertising, then they moved to invention of printing process, then there came industrial revolution, the modern advertising, and now nowadays advertising in 21st century. Early advertisement is basically the spread of the word of mouth or oral advertisement or spoken words which are publicly provided by a person to other person to give about information. Early advertising can be traced back to archaeological evidences available in Greece and Rome. In 3000 BC, Babylonian merchants hired Parkers to hawk their wares to prospective customers and place sign over their doorways to indicate what they sold. Invention of printing press in England. Some of advertisement which were known as pioneering advertisement were coffee, that is in 1952, in 1652, chocolates in 1657, and tea in 1658. In ancient India, some of typical seals used by Mohanji Panjivia Packet and General Advertiser became a daily in 1784. It featured an entire front page of advertisement, but formally, the history of advertisement in India parallels the history and development of Indian press during 200 years ago. In other words, we can say that advertising is the father of journalism because the first Indian newspaper started by James August Hickey on January 29 in 1718 that was called as Bengal Gazette or Calcutta Journal Advertiser. It was full of informative advertisement. In 1785, the Bengal Journal published with the government advertisement free of charge. Then there is industrial revolution. By the dawn of 19th century, the pattern of advertising changed and the power of advertising increased rapidly with the power of advertising with the growth of trade and commerce. The industrial revolution, discovery of the growth of transportation facilities, advent of radio, television, and resolution in printing technology, discovery of steam power in England and America had a keen role to play in development of advertising. After the World War II, with the independence of India, many British advertising agencies were brought by Indian businessmen. So when came 19th century, the pattern has been changed. It has increased rapidly. The industrial revolution gave growth to number of businesses. They actually expand their trade and commerce activities. So British advertising agencies were brought by Indian businessmen by the Second World War in the 19th century. The development of advertising agency was founded due to development of Indian industries provided by Swadeshi movement in the year 1907 to 1977. The major agencies were the Calcutta Advertising Agency, Alliance Advertising Associates, Publicity Society of India, and Walter Thomson. During the mid 17th century, newspapers started appearing in Europe, and newspaper advertising was initiated in full swing, and large number of advertisements start crowding the newspaper, announcing publication of books, new beverages, travel plan, and matrimonial offers. So, mid 19th, 17th century, it was Europe which have started the advertisement provided by the newspaper, but all early advertisements were basically only announcement. By 1932, there were 109 advertising agencies in India that had become the main source of revenue media, print media. Modern advertising. In 1950, the advertisement of cosmetics was on the top of the list of items advertised, and in 1960, consumer goods continued dominated with the textile advertisement. In the 1970s, the Vivid Bharati and Doordarshan played a great role in the form of commercial broadcasting and telecasting. New radio commercial made a real dent on rural audience and urban working class. Beside these, many periodicals like India Today, Bombay, New Delhi Surya, and various film magazines made their appearance in Indian advertising. The role of tabloids in English and Indian language were examples in the field of advertising in India. The programs and the plans of government were also publicity announcement, as also those of Tisco, Dunkub, Kotlex, Philips, Godrej, and Hindustan Liver. These media gradually started emerging as a mutual competitor for advertising revenue also. So it all started with 1950 until now it has been used in 21st century. With the beginning of 21st century, the advertisers themselves become more serious. Their approach becomes more sophisticated. Print medias, radio advertising, TV and internet commercial have created deep impact on Indian advertising. In the government sector, advertisement of the railway also dominated, which was soon joined by the public sector advertisement. Mani Shankar Iyer has won laurels for the unique campaign on cancer prevention. In 20th century, advertisement bloomed to its full form. More emphasis was laid on advertisement copy, art service, and advertisement production become more and more important. Advertising is an activity of attracting public attention to a product or a business as paid by announcement in print, broadcast, or electronic media. It is a promotion of a company products and services to different medium to increase the sales of the product and services. It actually works for the awareness of customers so that their buying habits can be changed. You can influence their thinking power by promoting your product that must be creative in nature. Therefore, companies allot a huge part, they spend a huge part of the revenues for the advertisement budget. Advertising also serves to build a brand of the product, which goes a long lasting relationship to make effective sales with the customers. Anthropologist William Mazzella divides advertising in post-independence in four key phases. In 1947, the first of these began after independence from Great Britain and lasted until the early 1960s. Indian advertisement in this period still operated as the outpost of British Empire. The overall of advertising was factual presentation. They only provide facts during this duration. The second phase came in 1960 and it lasted till 1980s. It emerged in large part as a reaction to the first and stress creativity and Indian professional identity independent of Great Britain. A third phase came in 1980s, which actually involved creative and innovative advertisement so that with the help of creating efficient marketing channels, they would impact the large public throughout the country. The fourth and the current phase came in 1980 and characterized by synthesis of effective marketing mechanism and high level of creativity. the main importance of advertisement, it actually helps in promotion of sales. When you want to introduce your product in the market, it actually give a good strong background to promotion of your new product. It create good public image among the public at large. You actually capture mass production of your goods. You actually capture mass customers. You involve research and development to promote your product. It actually educate the people and it's go to press also. Thank you.